Hey everyone, welcome back to day number 21 of the LEGO Harry Potter Advent Calendar. Just a few more days to go and having a bit of a cheat on the game board. It is a buildable. I'm not sure of what. So, let's see what's behind window number 21. It is a feast table. Aren't these the tables that are in the dining area of Hogwarts? Or maybe supposed to be? Who knows? Either way. Table stuck in there. There you go. It is basically a huge dining table. That is quite nifty. Stick around and we'll put the table together.